Microsoft Loop Unleashed, your essential guide to the Notion challenger. Notion has now a tough competitor. Microsoft just made Loop available to all. Here's everything about Loop you can't miss. 1. Experience the power of Microsoft Loop features. Personalize your workspaces, seamlessly integrate with Microsoft apps, harness the Copilot Assistant for AI-powered drafting and summarizing. Two. Loop's Copilot empowers your team to collaborate, stay focused, and effortlessly manage tasks and workspace content. Three. Generate structured plans with ease. Use prompts like Create Project Schedule Table. Integrate the generated table into your Loop workspace. Transform it into a versatile Loop component for seamless sharing across apps. Four. Loop intelligently summarizes content, enhancing comprehension. Five. Effortlessly hand off work to teammates with Loop. It creates recaps that summarize your page changes in a snap, perfect for teams operating across time zones. This feature ensures seamless project progress. 6. Effortlessly track team progress and stay updated with exciting developments in one place. Summary: get the latest scoop on upcoming deadlines, completed tasks, progress updates, and recaps, all at your fingertips. Seven. Whiteboard features, sketch flowcharts, brainstorm ideas, and solve problems collaboratively. Share seamlessly across Teams, Outlook, Word for the web, and OneNote for the web. Eight. Seamlessly integrate your GitHub and Azure DevOps (ADO) data onto your Loop page. It's as simple as that. Nine. Level up your Loop page with an awesome table of contents. Your team will love how easy it is to find the most important info with just a click. 10. The Loop mobile app is now accessible, providing added flexibility and convenience.